yourselves in for another Minute Microscopy. I am Casey Rochford. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, please. And thank you. So, as you can see, I'm disassembling and moving, this time across the world. And that's what I'd like to talk about, actually, is this whole idea of, borders and having to vet people before you let them in. It's really ridiculous. Now I'm moving for love, largely. Yes, there's some other perks of a different country that are just kind of a bonus. But when it's something as simple as that's just like a human thing, why is it that there's so much bureaucracy around? I mean, you should just be able to like walk in and start living there. I mean, they already do that with the European Union, and I'm sure there's other similar situations in other parts of the world, but these are imaginary lines that we drew on a map. Why are we letting it so strongly dictate our lives and the lives of others?